Let's start from Potatoes Farm. A modern harvesting machine is collecting fresh potatoes from a potato field. Workers are filling sacks with freshly harvested potatoes and loading them onto a truck. The truck loaded with potatoes is heading to the processing factory. Delivery truck. The potato-loaded truck has arrived at the processing factory. The potatoes are being washed with water. A machine is slicing the potatoes into thin chips. Freshly made potato chips are ready for packaging. The potato chips are being packaged into bags. Boxes of packaged chips are being loaded onto a delivery truck. The delivery truck is heading to the market with the packaged chips. Finally, the potato chips reach the market and go on sale.